Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will discuss about multiple alleles, and the example of multiple alleles is ABO blood group. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So according to Mendel, only two alleles, dominant and recessive, could exist for a gene. But this is an oversimplification. More than two alleles could exist for a gene called multiple alleles. So more than two alleles actually can exist for a gene. ABO blood group system is an example of multiple alleles in humans. There are three alleles of one gene I, that is isohemagglutinin, in ABO blood group system. So this gene I has three alleles. These alleles are IA, IB and IO. IA allele codes for A molecule. This is a protein on the red blood cell surface. IB allele codes for B molecule or B protein on the RBC surface. IO allele does not code for any protein. IA and IB alleles are codominant with each other. That means neither of the alleles are dominant with respect to the other. And a heterogeneous individual who has IA-IB genotype will express both A and B molecules on the surface of RBC. IA-IB alleles are both dominant over IO allele. So although IA and IB alleles are codominant with each other, that means they are not dominant with each other, but they are dominant over IO allele. Based on these three alleles, humans have four blood groups: A, B, AB and O. So now we will see this checkerboard to understand this in better way. So we can say that here IA allele, IB allele and IO allele is here. And here also we have IA, IB and IO allele. So here first one is the IA. That means two IA alleles are there. Therefore, they will produce only A molecule or A protein on the RBC surface. That's why they will give rise to A blood group here. In this case, they have IA and IB alleles. And we know that IA and IB, these alleles are codominant over each other. That's why both A and B molecules will be produced on the RBC surface. And they will give rise AB blood group. Here in this case, they have IA and IO alleles. And we know that IA is dominant over IO allele. And in this case, only A protein will be produced on the cell surface, because IO will not produce any such molecule. And the blood group will be A here. In this case, again IA, IB alleles are there. They will give rise to AB blood group. In this case, IB, IB alleles are there. That means only B molecules or B proteins will be produced in the RBC surface. And they give rise to B blood group here. In this case, IB and IO alleles are here. So IB is dominant over IO, and in this case only B molecules will be produced on the RBC surface, because IO will not produce any such protein, and the blood group will be B here. In this case again IA and IO alleles are there, and they will give rise to A blood group. In this case again IB and IO alleles are there, they will give rise to B blood group. In this case two IO alleles are there. That means neither A nor B molecules will be produced on the RBC surface, and they will give rise to O blood group. And IO is often denoted as small I here.